Here's how to add a link to your TikTok bio. Open the TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Account, then choose Switch to Business Account. Follow the setup process by tapping Next, selecting a category for your account, and completing the prompts. You can skip optional steps if you don't want to add extra information. After switching to a business account, open your profile again and tap the Edit button. Select Links, then tap Website or URL and enter the link you want to display in your bio. Save your changes, and the link will appear as a clickable button on your profile. If you don't want to switch to a business account, you may still be able to add a website link once your account meets TikTok's eligibility requirements. For many users, this means reaching at least 1,000 followers. Once your account qualifies, go back to Edit Profile, tap Links, and add your website URL the same way. If the website or URL option isn't available, your account may not be eligible yet, or the feature may not be supported in your region. That's all for this video. Thanks.